Hey guys, Dallas here from Dunn Watson. We just got these two custom eco drawers coming out today, so we just thought we'd show you the build. Custom drawers, so they've been made on two 27 kilo slides. Made to the customer's requested length, width and height. As you'll see with this eco design, you've got maximum storage. So heaps of space to store your gear, and with on the heavy duty runners, it's going to easily carry that load. You've got your stainless steel grab handle, allows you to slam it shut, also key locking. You'll see in here, you've got your rear plate. And if you wish, after install, because if you slid this all the way out, and then have a look at the back of the drawer, you'll have the ability to climb in here and install the frame from the rear. And then you can put that rear plate down, close them all up. If you have any questions though on a custom eco style like this or one locking drawer slide, just give us a call or flick us an email.